How to receive USDT TRC20 on Binance. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to look at how you can easily receive USDT TRC20 on your Binance. For that, you're going to have to open up Binance application and make sure that you are logged in. And you also need a verified account for this, so make sure you've completed all of the verification process. Once you are on the home page here, all you have to do is find the deposit button right below your balance and then tap on it. Now you can just go ahead and search for USDT right here. Once you search for it, tap on USDT and you're going to have to choose a network. Make sure that you select a Tron network, so that is TRC20. And once you select your Tron network, you'll get this QR code as well as your wallet address. So all you have to do is send the wallet address to the sender or share the QR code, and they should be able to send you money and you can receive USDT TRC20 on Binance. It's that easy. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys on the next video.